everyone, my name is Desola. I'm a fashion designer and you are welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to Daisy's Wardrobe. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here. And if you've seen my videos before and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. So here on my channel, I talk about being a fashion designer, running a fashion business, running a business, all things business, all things fashion, and sometimes once in a while I talk about my life. So in today's video, I'll be talking about how to increase sales and make money in a small business. So like I said, I have run my business for over 10 years and I've been in business for this length of time, and in this length of time I have learned so much about starting a business and running a business. So every business has its highs and its lows. Every business has its peaks and the times where they make a lot of money from selling their services or their products. But in this video, I'll be talking more about product-based businesses because that is what I do. At the same time, businesses have their low seasons or their low periods where they're not making a lot of money as they would like to. And when they're not making money, it could be as a result of so many things. It could be the time of the year. It could be a decline in marketing efforts. It could be anything, literally anything. So the aim of today's video is to tell you how you can increase your sales and make more money in your business. Because when you have a business that makes money, it makes you very happy and gives you the opportunity to live a life that you love. But when you run a business that's not making money, that is one of the worst things that can happen to anyone. When a business is not making money, you cannot expand the business. You cannot do the necessary things that is required to grow the business. And eventually you find it very difficult to replenish your inventory. Or you have a whole stash of inventory that you find it very difficult to sell. This can be a very frustrating position to be in as a business owner. So in this video, I'll tell you the 5 things that you can do in your business to increase sales. Whether you have a physical store, which is a brick and mortar, or you have a store online. They are all applicable to both. So the first one is, if you want to increase sales in your business, you have to make your customers feel safe and secure. Whether it is in a brick and mortar store or online, especially if you run your business online, you have to make your customers feel very secure. If you run a business online, when I say making them feel secure, what you have put out to your customers have to be in line with whatever it is you're delivering to them. So you can advertise to your customers about something that is supposed to be in perfect condition, that is supposed to be made with the best quality of materials, and you deliver to them something that is very inferior or something that doesn't match the description of what you have put out. That is the easiest, fastest way to lose customers online as a business. If you have a brick and mortar, making your customers comfortable is when they come into your store, what they have seen or what has made them come into your store has to match what they are seeing. Whatever reason has made them to walk into your brick and mortar store has to match whatever it is they find in the store. You can't advertise clothing at your storefront and then they come in and they see food. Well, not food, but you understand what I'm trying to say. It has to match, because when a customer sees a certain thing about your business, whether it's online or from somewhere, and they walk into your business and what they are seeing in your business is different from what you have advertised or marketed for your business, you just find out they'll just tell you, all right, I'm just checking, thank you very much, I'll see you later, bye, and that's it. They will definitely never come back, and they will never ever give you a good word of mouth. So you need to make your customers comfortable and you need to make them secure with your business, especially being a small business. The trust factor has to be established, and trust is not just established instantly, it's gradually. So as they come and they see and they come again, they see again, and when there's consistency, they start to trust you. And that is the way you start to increase sales in your business. When a customer trusts you, they're able to come back and patronize you. They're able to refer your business to other people, their family and friends. Everybody comes to you to buy. So it's very important. Another way of increasing sales in your business is showing up online. So whether you're an online business or a physical space, you need to put your business online. Gone are the days whereby you have a physical space and you feel like, I don't need to have an online presence. Now, everything in the world we live nowadays is online. Whether you have a physical store or you have an online store, you need to be online. You need to be online in different ways. There are social media platforms where you can promote and market your business, put the word out there about your business. We have different social media platforms, and we have Google Maps and all that kind of stuff where you can put your business out there. So if someone is looking for a particular product or a particular service and they try to search for this thing that they want, they should be able to find your business as one of the businesses listed. If you can't do that for your business in this day and age that we live in, I'm really, really sorry. That will really, really affect your business a lot. The third thing is hiring employees that can deliver exceptional customer experience. Customer experience or customer service in any business is extremely important. It's also part of the things that makes a customer feel very, very secure in doing business with you. When you employ and train good people to handle the customer service or the customer experience of your business, whether it's online or physically, it makes a whole lot of difference. When a business has bad customer service, you lose a lot of customers through that. No matter how good your product is, no matter how good your offer is to your customers, once you have bad customer service, you are going to definitely lose money. And I'm telling you this from my experience. I have employed bad customer service people in the past to run my business, and it has cost me money, a whole lot of money. And I've learned from my mistakes, and that is why I've included it as one of the things that you can use to increase sales in your business and make more money. Another way of increasing sales in your business is preparing adequately for peak periods. So if you are someone who has been in business for some time, I'm sure you'll be aware of your peak periods and your low periods. So when I say peak periods, the times of the year where business tends to pick up, and the times of the year where business tends to be slow. In my business, I know when these times are. So I'll give you an example. Usually the last quarter of every year tends to be very, very, very busy for me, especially the festive seasons, which is the Christmas, the New Year, tends to be very, very busy for me. And because I know it is very busy for me, I tend to prepare for it in advance, and I prepare very, very well, making sure that I have enough inventory for that period. So when I have a lot of demand from customers, I'm able to meet their demands and I'm able to make good money. I had a time in my business some years ago in the early days, and it was December, the Christmas period, and I sold so many clothes. I sold so much that literally everything on my rack was bought. Everything, as in there was nothing left. There was nothing. My store then wasn't as big as this. There was nothing. I sold literally everything. January, I had nothing to sell. I had literally nothing, and I had to lock up my shop because I can't leave my shop open and customers walk into an empty space. So I had to lock up my door and face production square on. In that way, if I had prepared adequately for that period, knowing fully well that this is a period for me, when customers bought everything on my rack, I would have some put aside for when all this goes away, and then I bring out some more for them, which I have already prepared for when things like that happen. But I've learned from my mistakes, I've learned from my experiences, so I'm just sharing them with you. So when you know what your peak periods are, you prepare for them in advance and you prepare adequately. And if you're new into business and you're not yet sure of when your peak periods will be, look at people within your industry and look around. When do people tend to buy more from them, and then just have in mind these things and just look at how things progress from there for your own business. The last and the final way to increase sales in your business and make more money is providing more of what sells more within your business. So if you run a business where you have different variables and you have a particular item that is a bestseller and people are always demanding for that particular product or that particular item, once you have seen that this thing is something that brings me money regularly, even if other things are still there and haven't been purchased by customers, this particular one tends to go out of stock very, very quickly. It is now then time to hone in on that particular item and make more of that item, so that whenever any customer comes to buy from your business and they want that particular item, you will always have it in stock. This has worked for me, and everything I share in all my videos, I share from my experience of running my business successfully for over 10 years. So my video for today is done. If you enjoyed watching my video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you know when I put up a new video. And so I will see you soon. Bye!